Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Vegetable fried rice. Okay guys, so we're going to make another version of fried rice. So here we have 2 cups of rice cooked already. It was in the refrigerator to dry out. We cooked that earlier on this morning. Ideally, this should be cooked the day before and put in the fridge overnight. So we have 2 cups of cold rice here. We're going to use 2 eggs. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of green seasoning. Now I'm going to put a link to another recipe showing you how to make green seasoning. And this green seasoning has onion, garlic, seasoning peppers, celery. The link that I'm going to put though does not have celery in it, but this one does. So we're going to use 1 tablespoon of green seasoning. We have 2 cups of frozen vegetables here. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce that we have here. We're also going to use some salt to taste. And we're also going to use 2 teaspoons of sugar as well. So these are all the ingredients that we're going to use in order to make our fried rice. We're going to do our fried rice now. So we're going to add a little oil to our wok. And we're going to fry the egg. Okay, so we're going to add some white pepper. And we're also going to add some salt to the eggs as well. So we get our eggs cooked. Okay, so now that our egg is finished, we're going to set it aside. Okay, so now we're going to add a little more oil to our wok. We're now going to add in our green seasoning. Green seasoning has garlic, onion, shadow bene, celery, seasoning peppers. So fry this a bit. And I'm also now going to add in the frozen vegetables. So to this, I'm also going to sprinkle some salt. You just want to cook the vegetables until they become soft. Okay, so now that the vegetables are nice and soft, we're now going to add in our cold rice. Now I'm not going to add in all. I just added some, and we're going to add in some of the soy sauce and then mix it. Alright, we're going to add in the egg. Let's add in the rest of the rice. We're going to add in the rest of the soy sauce. We're also going to add in our sugar. Now let's stir everything well. Of course, if you want this a little darker, you can add more soy sauce to it. If you want it a little darker. Just turn on my fire to low as I try to get everything mixed together here. What I'm also going to do, I'm going to just put a little bit of sriracha chili sauce in it as well, not much, just a little bit here. This is totally optional. Alright, so again, you will taste for salt to see if you need to add any. But basically, our vegetable fried rice is finished. So be sure to give this recipe a try. I hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.